This is an original song. We wrote it about. It's semi-autobiographical, actually.
It's an excerpt from our greatest hits album,
Right.
coming out soon.
Our live tour will be found live.
Yeah, you can look it up on websites and it'll be there.
If you use the internet, which we are not exposed to often.
So this is kind of a twice-in-a-lifetime thing we're doing right now.
We're just putting ourselves out there. We don't like to make ourselves vulnerable, but please try to be nice in the comments.
Yeah, be nice because, we have feelings too.
We actually, more than feelings, have anger management issues.
We do. She's not joking. It's real. And it's out there.
We flip tables. We don't like to talk about it, but since we're such good friends, we figured we'd tell you.
We figured we'd tell you because we thought you'd understand. And that's why you would like our
we just
song.
Want sympathy and compliments. Please.
Do please sympathize and compliment us.
Okay. Alright, we're just gonna go.
We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna let it go and we're gonna go. And we really hope you like it.
Right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We were raised by wolves. They were wolves. They were wolves in a pack, walking on 4 legs, walking through the forest, walking on raw meat. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we had some shark canines. We learned how to fight from our parents, the wolves. They taught us table manners. They taught us how to kill you young. We know how to kill you young. We were the survivors. We were the survivors.
I'm a survivor. I ain't gonna give up. I'ma work harder. I'ma go better. Oh, let me lay it out for you. We were raised by wolves, and none other ain't we. Ain't no cats. We ain't like Mowgli, the little boy in the Jungle Book. We were raised by wolves. We ate raw meat, and we'll eat your feet. So watch out, cause this girl drops a bad beat. Oh
my God! Oh, you didn't just say you were raised.
Girl, you were raised by wolves.
Thank you.
So there it is. We hope you liked it.
We worked really hard on it. So
yeah, it took like a year.
Keep that in mind.
I think we got chocolate on this device. Let me just
lick it off.
It's okay.